great introduction. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests.
Good evening.
Reverse works. Let's do one small exercise. Please follow me, and you also have to do this exercise. Let's do it. Not allowed. Okay, thank you. So today's theme is do your best and leave the rest. Let me describe this. Let's start with do. Whichever system you are in and whatever you are doing. Let's take our example, our exercise example. Somebody did like this. Somebody did like this. Somebody did like this. But everybody listened and followed me. Everyone done your best. The reading the instructions of anything or studying philosophical thoughts won't give any results. We have to do it. From theory to practice, from speculations to action is the first step. Next, your. Your is not too much self-identification. It means that you know what your strengths, what your weaknesses, your ambitions, and your needs. That's called SWAN formula. Your work, your actions, and your way of life corresponds to the SWAN. The next word, the best. The next step uses this knowledge and directing this knowledge towards improvement, perfection. How can this express in the best way? How to reinforce your strengths and how to deprive your weaknesses, their impact, and how to focus your ambitions and how to reduce your needs. How to live in harmony. The next word, and. The first three steps establish our position in life. We act, we know who we are and what we do, our limitation and our possibilities. But there is more than that. The end acknowledges another dimension. It put all our achievements in power of light. The end is the humble recognition of something greater than us and intimately related to our existence. The next, I will come back later. The one person who did his best and left rest to us. His message was clear. His vision was open. He blown his trumpet in 1924 at basement of YMCA in Santa Ana. He named his tune as Toastmaster International. His tune flying around the world and touched more than 350 clubs and 2,92,000 members in 122 clubs. He is none other than our founder of Toastmaster International, Ravel C. Smedley. Ravel C. Smedley's basement brainstorm continues to thrive in this 21st century. For benefits of guests, today's meeting divided into three parts. The first part, prepared speech session. In prepared speech session, so our members prepare their speeches and come here and deliver their speech. The second session is easy and crazy session, so that is table topic session. So our table topic master will randomly call the members or guests, and the table topic master will give the topic and speaker has to speak 1 to 2 minutes. Our third part would be evaluation session. So our senior Toastmaster, general evaluator, so evaluate today's meeting. To evaluate today's meeting as a general evaluator, so we have the entrepreneur, the CEO of HRD, and he is a founder of our Bangalore Toastmaster Club, veteran, versatile and valuable Toastmaster, Siraz. May we thank your
Hello Toastmasters and distinguished guests, I welcome all of you to this 9th meeting. Bangalore Toastmasters Club. We have 2 seasoned speakers and 2 well-known evaluators, and I'm sure we are going to have a very interesting session today. My goal is to evaluate the entire session and also to evaluate and give feedback to various assignments. To assist me, we have the bank manager, Mr. Dilip. Mr. Dilip.
Good evening all. Being at the time answer, my responsibility is that putting the brake on your the speaking vehicles when it is running on this Toastmaster highway. So as per the assignment, I'll be showing the green, amber, and red as per the speaking. And for the table topics, the timing is 2 minutes. In the end of the 1 minute, I'll be showing you the green. 1.5 minutes, I'll be showing the amber, and at the end of the 2 minutes, I'll show the red. And at the end of the session, I'll be submit my general result.
Also, who is going to be Mr. Nagendra?
Good evening, Toastmasters, and welcome guests. Today my role is R-counter. I'll be taking notes of short pauses, long pauses, hours, and crunch words and repetitions. End of the meeting, I'll be submitting my report to the general leader.
The Ren and Martin of this session is going to be Sudipto.
Thank you, Siraj. Good evening to you all. My role today as a grammarian is to note down the good usages and places where we can improve upon in the English language. The word of the day is ardor, that means great enthusiasm. And usage would be the secretary of the day read out the minutes of last meeting with creativity in art.
So, fellow Toastmasters, I encourage all of you to do your best and leave the rest.
So thank you very much, Siraz. Today we have 2 back-to-back entertainment speeches. Entertainment के लिए कुछ भी करेगा. Let's start our prepared speech session. Our first speaker is giving project 1 from competent communicator branch manual. May I request his evaluator Rajdeep to read out the objectives of the project.
The objectives are to entertain the audience by relating a personal experience, organize an entertaining speech for maximum impact.
Thank you.
5 to 7.
He grown from bartender to entrepreneur. He is the best example for hard working. He was software engineer and he got lot of opportunities to fly other countries. But he left his job and he is living with his dream. Is his dream touching lady? I don't know. Let's listen in his speech. Let's welcome, his speech title is You Can Live Your Dream. Let's welcome our enterprising, enthusiastic entrepreneur Naveen Reddy to speak on You Can Live Your Dream.